Hold on to her.
Come here.
Keep dragging the way you go.
Keep dragging. This is dragging by it.
Will you be doing that?
I didn't get you though. Here, stand in front of me, Chloe.
Hold me, Dad. Come on.
Yeah, you better get him videoed or he'll die with it.
I'm gonna step over the hill for down there and use the bathroom what time their unit's coming off.
Alright.
But you better hurry because they'll be off here in just a minute.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, get over here, Daddy.
Get over.
Bro, over here. I see it over here.
Mommy's
You stand right here and watch. In case Bubby James wrecks where you won't fall with a wreck on you. Or Daddy can grab you. So Daddy can grab you and we'll jump out of the way. Well, right there, stand right there. I come straight down over at Lee and drop it. Yeah, bales coming down. Don't watch somebody.
He's not gonna like this video because it's all like shaky and crappy and stuff, but he'll get over it. That limb's right in the way.
The Wildcat videos.
I've been just putting them on there and see what I can do.
How many views does the Toyota got on there?
I've got 300.
You used to have a lot.
I've never had no more than that.
I thought it had a lot more than that. Mary, mine's coming down. But it's saying it's because well, I never could find it back on there. Whatever you put it under.
That's the thing, the tags and stuff, I really didn't know how to do it back then. Michael shouldn't have no problem.
Well, I come straight down and ease down over that rock till my wheel touched the other one and just come off. Well, I done. Mine slides so bad sideways, I guess it's them tires, but you get on dirt any bit. Michael's got that lift his way.